Hello everybody and welcome back to The Addiction. In today's video we're going to be taking off our front radiator core support and checking out the damage done to the 370Z. Also, I do want to apologize, I always forget to make an intro, hence the voiceovers. I usually just grab my camera and just get right to work on whatever project I'm working on, so I am trying to get better at this, and thank you for watching. Enjoy the video. Okay, it's another day, and as you can see, our AC is finally evacuated, and now we can start taking off our front radiator core support. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take off this rubber piece here. It connects right there, and also right there. And then I'm going to take off these bolts. Then I'm going to take off these bolts right here, 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 and here. Okay, first thing before we go and take off everything on this core support is we're going to want to take off this harness right here. This one is for the hood latch, AC, horns, air temperature sensor, all your little connections up here, and down there. To better get at these clips right here, I'm using a set of pliers like this to get behind it and pinch the tabs. These are what the tabs look like behind. Okay, so I've got all these bolts loosened here, here, and here. And I've also gotten the harness taken off with all the clips through there. Now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to unlock this right here. I'm going to unlock this right here by turning it counterclockwise just like that. Okay, so now I have these bolts removed, the middle, this side, and one down below. Okay, all the bolts are out there and there, and it pretty much just falls off. Okay, now that that's off, the next thing we're going to take off is this little coolant reservoir right here. We have a bolt right down in there, right there, as well as hose connections there, there, and there. So I currently have the coolant draining. It's really simple. There's this little pedestal that comes out on the very bottom of the radiator. From the bottom looking up, it looks like this. Looks like this. You unscrew it counterclockwise and make sure to open up the radiator cap, otherwise it takes forever. I have the car jacked up and slightly nose down, and it's been taking a little while, but as soon as it's done, we'll finish pulling the radiator out. While the coolant's draining, I'm going to go ahead and take off this power steering cooler, and then I'm going to do my best to get this bolt right here out, that one, and that one. Okay, so the coolant is drained out of the radiator. The next thing is the AC condenser needs to come out. Now we could take these off and bend the lines, but I don't really want to do that, so I'm going to take the headlight out. We need to take a bolt out there, and take bolts out here, and under here. It is also worth noting there is a little pop rivet right here. And what I'm going to show you now is how to remove the AC components. Now, some of these cars, they have a little ring right here, and that is actually the tool used to get this compression spring off, and it just disconnects like a quick connect. But the bottom one is broken or missing or not there, so I'm going to show you how to do it with tools from like AutoZone or Harbor Freight or etc.
I'm a whirling dervish, I always twirl on purpose. I'm so surface level, don't you look behind the curtains. I'm nervous like I'm Nelly, Kelly's so evil, he not a person. What would a good one consist of? I'm probably not as perfect. It's probably not in my bloodline. My faith lies as far as my fault is allowed, but should I control where I live? I choose to be an island. I choose to pick up my pants till it all seems folly, but I guess we change that present to the past tense. Like past was a bastard, flabbergasted. That has a running pattern, polish blotted, nothing matters. Twin cut love an ugly dancer. I am part generation violence, part of the nation. Not hiding from it all till it all become blinding kite. Fly across the sky to the blue turn violent, mark the passage of the days all ever I'm in. Don't feel free to chime in, rather keep you tuned out. Stick with flat drink sip instead of fizzling out route. I don't need to go your way. You stand and make that face. Life is made of serious words. I don't need to go your way. You stand and make that face. Life is made of serious words. This might be a bowl of self-belief. No need for boating schools to tell me peace is found. I found my own ground, crashing my own reef. No beef, all peace. Nah, fuck that bang bang, ski ski. You show the counts down. Clown caught up in his own heat. It's a lesson where you learn to shut the demons up. Nah, I'm kidding. You ain't no demon. You my home.
Okay, now that we got the AC lines disconnected right there on the driver's side, we're going to want to pull this whole radiator support out. Also keeping note that there are some wires back here, like the fan control module and the airbag sensor right there. And there are clips along the top of the radiator support right there.
Now I know it's mine alone. I don't need to go your way. You stand and make that.
As we come underneath the car, I've got a couple of hoses disconnected, this one here and also this one here. Another note before the radiator condenser combo comes out, these little flaps right here need to be flipped up and the bottom one down. On a normal 370Z, these little nipples on the air filter just pop in that little hole right down there. Thank you everybody for watching. It really means a lot. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel for more content. Thank you.